Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to back up a Solflare wallet. To back up your Solflare wallet, open up your Solflare Wallet application on your device, or you can also open up the web extension. Right after you open up your Solflare Wallet app, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. You will then be able to see all of the list of your wallets on the page. Go ahead and tap on the edit button at the top right corner, and then you will be able to see three dots right next to your wallet. Tap on it, and then in the pop-up, click on export private key in order to export your private key. If you want to export your recovery phrase, you can tap on export recovery phrase. Choose any one of these two options at the bottom, and you will then be able to reveal your recovery phrase or your private key. Simply tap the show button at the bottom to reveal your recovery phrase or private key. After you reveal your recovery phrase, tap the copy button at the top in order to copy the recovery phrases on your clipboard. Now you can open up any application or a secure folder where you can easily paste in your recovery phrase or your private key. You can also write down the backup phrases on a piece of paper and put it somewhere safe and secure, such as a fireproof safe or another secure location. This will be the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access, so make sure you never share your seed phrase or your private key with anyone. With this backup, you can restore your Solflare wallet on any compatible devices by selecting the Restore Wallet option and entering your private key or your seed phrases. That is how you easily back up a Solflare wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.